ka na nila in 2 weeks. Hi, Kuya! Si Kuya nag-sleep over yan kahapon, diba? And kahapon hindi ko na-close yung vlog. But yeah. Hi, Zaki!
Hi.
Hi, Holly! Hi! Hi, Daddy! Hi! First time ko ulit gamitin yung camera. Kasi lagi siyang full, diba? So, nakapag-transfer ako. Yung gamit ko lagi ay yung phone. Yung mga konting mga clips lang yon. So, may vlog tayo na iba-iba ang date. Ito, hindi ko alam kung may sasama ko yan. Ito doon. We'll see kung gaano kahaba yung vlog natin today. But yeah, yung ganap namin is magsha-shopping tayo para sa mga bata. Kasi nga yan, pasukan. So, unahin namin ay bibili tayo ng sapatos. Yung mga bag, okay na sila. Kasi provided yun ng school. Pero binayaran natin yun doon. But sapatos, kasi dapat pang school shoes talaga yung gagamitin nila. Hindi pwede yung rubber shoes. So yun guys. And dinala ko yung iinumin kong Beauty Talks ng Lux Slim. Ayan. And may dala rin akong freshies. Ang sarap nito guys. Binibenta ko rin to pero na sold out. Ayan. Freshies na avocado flavor. May dala akong tubig. So wala pa akong kinain. Uminom lang ako ng tubig. Alauna na. So, eto, makakatulong to sa akin hanggang mamaya. So, yun. Update ko kayo mamaya, guys. And yung mga gamit ko sa mukha ko ay available din sa Holy Mom Style. Yung aking concealer from Tibian. And yung libi ko from Lux Skin. Dalawa kasi yung niya, Lux Skin and Lux Lip. So, Lux Skin yung cosmetic. Ayan, yung lipi natin. Dalawang klase yung ginamit ko yung what's that? Yeah, Pouty P and Saslavi. Ayan, pinag-combine ko yung dalawa. Tapos yung lip liner ko, binibenta ko rin. So, ayan, basta lahat ng gamit ko today sa mukha ay binibenta ko. Ang ganda guys ng Tibian. Concealer lang yan. Yung foundation, grabe din. Pero hindi tayo nag-foundation. Ano lang yung concealer. Tapos yung strokes na loose powder. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung nagugustuhan nyo yung itsura ko ngayon. Kasi talagang naglagay. Nag-cover niya rin kasi yung aking melasma. Kung mapansin nyo. Oh, okay, mamaya na lang ulit. Are you hungry, boys? Yes. Yes. And eto din, si Beauty Talks, available din to guys sa Holy Mom Style. Ang dami nating beauty products na available sa Holy Mom Style. Tsaka yung mga capsules na pampaganda yung mga gluta. So, ayan. Dalawa yung tinitake ko sa umaga and dalawa sa gabi. Din mamaya titimplahin ko si Freshies. Yeah, let's go. What's wrong? Dito na kami sa town, guys. Andito na si Auntie Mel. For the walking na ang family. You didn't work, Auntie Mel? Did you work today?
Yeah, home.
Home lang. Work at home pala si Auntie Mel ngayon. Hindi kami makahanap ng parking dito, oh. Kaya doon tayo sa likod nag-park. Dito tayo pupunta guys sa The Athlete's Food. That one, Holly. Ready for school. Not that one. The other one, Baba. The one, like this one.
Yeah, like this.
I like that one. Yeah, that one. The same, yeah.
This one's Jackpot.
Like leather.
Leather, yeah.
Okay.
So she's looking at nicer.
Okay. I'll see because she's quite small.
Yeah.
I'll see what I can do. But do you want me to get them like measured up? See what width
Yeah.
and stuff they are. It makes it a little bit easier, and then it narrows it down to what you
Okay.
need.
Okay, take off your shoes off. Let me measure yung paa nila. Yeah, all. Hurry up. Go, Zaki. Ayan.
Just pop your feet in the two rectangle grooves just there. So you're just going to step into it. Yep. Perfect. And what's your name?
Ayan yung machine. Diba, ang high-tech, no? Maganda dito bumili ng sapatos kasi mini-measure talaga nila kung saan yung weight, kung saan yung mas ano nilang paa, yung bigat. Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta nasukatan na rin ako dito before. Kuya na next.
And what's your name?
Ayan, my feet beauties.
Pop your toes on that one bar. There. Perfect. And you can walk across all the way up the end. Perfect. Alright, you're up next. Good job. And what's your name? Is that with a Y or an I? Yep. You'll see for the buckle, she's quite small, maybe like that. Usually they into these like Velcro straps. I will have a look for the buckle, but I don't think it's like very easy. You can Velcro and stuff it gets frayed. I will have a look out the back and see what I can do. Right, you're going to pop your toes on that one. All the way off the end. So, for the boys, there's nothing plastic leather lace up, and then I'll see what I can do about holders as well. Yep. I'll have a look. I'll go
Okay, nasukatan na sila. Hanapin na yung sapatos. Thank you. Kay Holly, medyo nahihirapan kasi sobrang tiny ng paa ni Holly. Parang wala sila yung style na gusto namin.
for the boys.
Wala sila yung buckle para kay Holly. Ayaw namin yung velcro kasi madali siyang matanggal. Ay, yeah.
Try that. All shoes can go. So I think we could go down a little bit. Ideally, you've got to go to full-time size, maybe a little bit more. We could still go down a half size if you'd want.
Let them last.
Just depends if they're growing. We'll try it on anyway and just see how it is.
He gets shoes every 2 weeks, that kid.
But yeah, very narrow. It's one of those things that this is the narrowest that we've got, unless you go to the Scholar, which has a bit more of a heel on it. That's what we'll talk about. But just see how we go. If it is still just too big, yes, we could go down and maybe fill it up with a thicker inner sole. There we go.
Huh?
I could have got the buckle one.
No, they can't. Where else we can get? Yeah.
I'll pay $115.
Go for a bit of a walk. Go for a bit of a walk, see how they feel. The main thing that I'm thinking is if Fiance will slip out because he's so narrow. Yeah. Obviously, we could go a half size down, but I think it's the whole bunch of ball.
Yours is alright, is that? Is it? Is it? Go walk over there.
What size is that?
That's a 800, 7 and a. Yeah, obviously you want to go full size up, like if you want to set a nigger at the end, you can go a half size down. There was tea.
How is it, Auntie Mel?
Yeah, so men's technically 7.5. You want to go an 8.5 for full size.
Yeah, too big. Yeah.
We could go down, or you could fill it up.
It's too big. Yeah. Ang laki nung maliit nilang size. Walang size para kay Holly.
Yeah, but that's what.
Jackie, how's yours?
Sak, is yours alright?
Yours alright?
Mag-try si Kuya ng isa pang inner sole.
And we could potentially put it over the top, but I don't know whether we can.
Kasi medyo malaki. Mabilis lumaki ang paa ni Kuya. Nag-lower kami ng size,
How would those?
ay nag-downsize.
Good.
Baka 6 months tapos na si Kuya sa sapatos. How is it, yeah? Feel better? Kuya? Much better daw.
And then once they get a bit bigger, they can tie them in.
After time they normally flatten down a little bit, but they make the shoes last longer.
Okay, all good. Si Holly sinama ni Auntie Mel. Pumunta sila somewhere. So, bayaran lang natin yung sa dalawa.
There's a we've got
So, kumuha rin kami ng socks. Thank you.
Perfect. That's alright.
Thank you. You too.
See you later.
See ya. Okay, we're done here. Hanapin na natin si Holly. Yeah.
Don't forget they're on the floor.
Okay. Years. Yeah, may nakita kaming Pilipino mga kaedadra ni Ma'am. Ang tagal namin hindi siya nakita, pero ang mukha niya ganun pa rin. Parang hindi siya nagkakaedad, which is good. Ano yan? So si Holly, kasama si Auntie Mel. Si Auntie Mel lang bahala sa kanya. Maghahanap daw sila ng sapatos ni Holly kasi, yun nga, mahirap hanapan ng size si Holly. Then, trinay namin yung isa. Yung ayaw namin, kasi yun yung available, yung may velcro. Hindi rin kasya sa kanya. Ang gusto namin isa na yung may belt. Kaso, turn down please. Kaso, wala talagang size na si Holly. Can you please turn down? Thank you. So, next is, where are we going? Harvey Norman.
So, we're go for 11 o'clock
When? Monday. So, kasi bibilan din natin si Kuya ng computer.
Tuesday's
Computer. Hindi kami nakabili nung Boxing Day. Why we didn't get on Boxing Day? Boxing Day, han?
Oh,
The computer.
well, they should have specials on handy.
Dahil muna kayo dito sa Hungry Jacks. Kasi si Jan gusto niyang What you gonna get,
I'll
Han?
just get a fan of mine and you can
What you gonna have, Han? Double deluxe?
buy deluxe.
Bacon deluxe. Thank you. Ayan. Ano na guys, mag-alas 2 na. Hindi na yan lunch. Pa-dinner na yan. Ha?
Have a drink out, Jack. I'll put it in the front end.
Dito na kami sa parking lot ng Harvey Norman. Kumakain lang si Jan. Ayan. Look at all the sauce.
Was it good, Dad?
Yeah.
And si Sa kumain na chips, ako din. You finish that?
I still got another one.
May isa pa siyang kakainin.
I don't know why, but burgers look good, but I just don't like them.
So kasi maano siya, hindi. How about Philippines?
What Philippines?
McDonald's, you like, right?
Yes,
Yeah. You're the best daw McDonald's. So baka naman gusto niyo siyang kunin na endorser ng McDonald's.
Yeah, I'm gonna make this one.
Oh.
Why do you have to do then?
Get out, mate.
Gusto niya, the best McDonald's is in the Philippines. Kuya, ang nasa phone. May sariling buhay na si Kuya. Okay, tapos nang kumain si Jan, pasok na tayo dito.
But
Okay, you have to ask someone. So, pumipili na tayo dito ng laptop ni Kuya. Ayun na si Johnny Boy. Nakaupo na siya doon.
We're also you're also chucking in. It also comes with a USB and everything in it because they require you. Oh, there you go. There it is. Oh, $10.99.
Pili siya ng mouse. Nakapili na kami ng laptop niya. Kuha siya ng mouse.
And that we go there ourselves, that one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Take the rest of it.
We are done. Yes. Gusto ni Sak yung comfy chair doon. Wow, Kuya! What? Kuya, why are you smiling daw, sabi ni Daddy. Ay, umuulan. Big W para kumain yung mga bata. And imimit din natin doon si Holly.
Lunch first.
Lunch and then
Honors Holly's eaten already.
I think so, yes. Nag-lunch na yata yung si Holly. Oo. Okay, Big W na tayo. Marketplace ang tawag dito, guys. So, una, kakain muna yung mga bata sa food court. Gusto ni Kuya yung Chinese doon, yung, alam niyo na yung kung ano yun. Yung iba-ibang putahe. Ay, si Sak. Baka nandito na rin si Auntie Mel. Change of plan. Si Kuya gutom na. Big W muna kasi nandito na si Auntie Mel at si Ho sa Big W. Gutom na si Kuya. Ayan si Holly. Hanap sila ng pencil case. Si Holly ay mga nakuha ni Holly at siya ni Auntie Mel. Oh. What's the Auntie Mel? Tapos na sila mag-shopping. So, wala tayong nakuhang medyas dito sa Big W. Kasi meron silang white pero napaka, ano kasi yung bagong school nila, Kuya, meron kaming sinusundan na guide kung anong tamang medyas ang dapat bilhin para sa kanila. So, wala sila. So, baka punta tayo sa school one day. Baka doon kayo bumili. Bumili si Jam before, pero parang kinuha niya, tigda dalawa lang. Tapos kumuha tayo ngayon sa, doon po saan tayo bumili ng sapatos. But kailangan nila yung gray. Yung gray kasi na nakita namin is lighter. Kailangan daw dark. So, si Auntie Mel, iniwan namin doon. Siya raw magbayad nung lunch box ni Holly, tsaka pencil case ng mga bata. Kasi si Kuya gutom na gusto nang kumain. Sumama na rin sa amin si Holly. Ayan sila. Si Holly gusto niya mag-sushi. Doon sila. Si Kuya dito, si Kuya. Go, yeah. Oh, you still paying? The $15, yeah, or $16.80? The big one? The big one.
One fish soup.
Okay. I'm just gonna order. Thank you.
Takeaway?
Yeah, yeah.
Have you?
Look at your plate. Ito yung number natin. Doon sa kabila. Sinamahan ko lang si Kuya. Pa siya ng drink. Thank you. Tinatanggal ni Kuya yung veggies. You're right, yeah? What? What noodles? You want more noodles? Gusto pa ni Kuya ng noodles? Okay, okay. So, ayan yung plato ni Kuya. Gusto niya parang ng konting pansit. Ayan kay Sak. Wow, Sak. Okay, Kuya. Yeah.
You got spoon.
There's no spoon here.
Mom, I got the chicken.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Yep. Hindi malulugi ang hindi malulugi si Kuya sa 1660 na food sa Chinese. Look at the plate. Han,
When you're taking the cover off, you shouldn't have to take it off, put money or anything on it. When you take it off, they only sit in there, so you lose them. You don't keep taking it off all the time.
yeah, don't put your money, yeah. Is that the new one? New case, yeah.
his money in like that.
Bagong case.
42.
Kasi yung case na nabili ni Jan ay weird. Hindi niya ma-press yung isa. Wala siyang, parang wala siyang button.
It's the same cable they put stuff on.
Here, Hannah. Beb. Auntie Mel. Yung sinasabi ko, hindi malulugi si Kuya sa 1660 na... No, it's not chicken salt. Sa price, kasi tingnan mo, ang dami niyang kinuha. Malulugi yung Chinese restaurant. Ha? Ah, okay. You don't like it. Timplahin ko na yung naiwan ko yung aking tubig sa car. So, bumili tayo ng tubig. Ayan yung freshies. Masarap to guys. Yung avocado. Ang ingay ni Kuya. Yeah, she loves avocado. Try, Auntie Mel. Try. Just sip. It's good. It's milky. I don't like it. I no, you're not alone. No, you're not. Hello. It's like milkshake.
You need to shake it more. There's nothing in it.
No,
That's good.
it's good, Zach, isn't it? It's good. You like it, Zach? No, you're not allowed. You like it, Zach? But you're not allowed. Si Jan kasama ni Jan. Patry mo sa kayo. Si Auntie mo hindi niya nagustuhan. Pero ako, I love it. And Zach, right, Zach? Good, Zach? Malapit nang maubos ni Kuya. Pero kumuha rin si Zach. Konti lang naman. Yung honey chicken. Siya kasi whole, ayan, kumukuha siya ng beef. Pero tingnan nyo, ang dami na kain ni Kuya. Si Jan, eto, kinakain dito ni Johnny Boy. Naubos namin yung wedges. Si Jan, tsaka si Zach, si Auntie Mal umalis na rin. Si Zach nasa car. Okay, this one to you. Please, thank you.
Tapping your phone.
Leave her alone, don't get rough. Don't be rough with her. Oi! Where is it, TJ? Your
Hello.
laptop. Right.
Inaano din. What did you say to Kuya? What did you say to Kuya?
Don't.
Wow, yeah. Kasi may kasi may laptop siya, my phone.
Put this.
This year is Kuya's year, right?
No, right? He's gonna look so guapo with his laptop.
We're gonna go back. Oh, do you know that broke?
I know.
Ah.
Well, you're gonna have to take the old car.
Yeah, I got to.
The door, we are back home, guys. Put the lights on, Baba. Ipapakita sa atin ni Holly yung nabili ni Auntie Mel sa kanya ng sapatos. Di ba naghiwalay sila sa amin? At hindi ko pa na, yung Christmas tree natin nandyan, no? Nandyan pa din. Ang dami niya ng tumbler. Nagpabili ulit siya. Si Auntie Mel din ang bumili niyan sa kanya. Show your shoes, Baba. Ang mamahal ng sapatos nila. Ah, that's nice.
And they actually have a...
Yes. Okay, can you try it on? Si Auntie Mel nagbayad nito. Ayaw yung magbabayad. This is 125 daw to. 125. Yung sa mga bata, binayaran ni Jan, nasa 500. Si Auntie Mel nagbayad ng pencil case nila. Wow, baby! Ito yung sapatos, tsaka yung insert. Tapos yung medyas, nasa 500 plus. Yung binayaran ni Johnny Boy.
Got this with it.
Where's the shoes, Baba? Let me see. Oh, that's the L. Oh.
Whose is better, Asen or that?
Ito, ano din to, guys? Sa sports, ano din to?
Do you like mama?
Huh? You like yours? Lahat leather. Kasi yun yung requirements. Yeah. Pardon me. Can you put it both, please? Did Daddy see it?
Yes, he has.
And Auntie Mel. What are you doing, Zach? Wearing my shoes?
I'm looking at them.
Don't put your foot there, please.
Yeah, they look.
And eto, nagpabili siya. May dami akong ano dyan kay Holly. Di ba meron ako yung lunchbox. Nagpabili siya.
what's
Can you
inside
open,
of it.
please?
Look what's inside of it.
Like, more than $100.
I got an
I know.
iPad.
These are like more.
Sabi, short sack. Sabi ni Sak, dapat daw gamitin ni Holly yung Yeti. Yeti yun, ha?
Where I can launch my lunch thing.
Yeah, but...
This is a nice pack.
Yeah, the ice patch.
One of these.
Yeah, I know.
And I have one of these.
And you have this Holly.
I know. You got lots of...
You would say
And this Holly.
I know. Ang dami ni Holly. Ang dami ni Holly. Nagreklamo sa kasi pabilis.
Yeah, but this-
Hindi mo nagreklamo. Sabi, sayang daw ng pera.
that's not.
Yes, that's yours. That's, yeah, Daddy bought that from Queensland. Remember? Yes. Ang dami mo dyan. Ang dami mong tumbler. Okay, wait lang guys.
I need to do this.
Where's Kuya's laptop? And eto yung laptop ni Kuya, Lenovo.
Set it up, Mum.
No, the school will do it for Kuya. Ayan. And eto yung bag. Meron din siyang mouse. And meron pang iba dyan na binili. Doon sa Harvey Norman, meron silang checklist kung ano yung requirements ng school nila, Kuya. So, ginawa namin is yung package. What's that? Where are you going? Alis na naman. Oh, punta na siya. Did you clean?
Yeah, just did.
Okay. So, alis na si Kuya. Punta na siya sa bay. Yes.
Honey,
Yeah.
go to the bay too.
Yeah, not yet. Kararating lang natin. Aalis na naman kayo.
Okay, Mom.
Show it to Daddy. Daddy, have you seen this?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Mayroong requirements kung anong laptop at kung ilang gigs and dapat long life battery and then basta package na siya. Then, sa school nila, Kuya, sila yung magda-download ng software kasi, syempre, yung sa school.
You stand here, Mum.
Basta ang dami, ang haba ng checklist dun. Yung pagbili natin nito. Kaya medyo natagalan kami dun sa Harvey Norman. Yeah, I'm gonna mag-edit ako, guys. So, alis na sila. Ha? Are you going to Zach?
Yeah.
So, iiwan na nila ako, guys. So, ako na naman matitira dito sa bahay. Mag-edit din ako. Ayusin ko tong mga, tingnan nyo, oh. Iniwan nila yung gamit nilang ganito. So, yun yung vlog natin for today. And, what? Huh? Can you please keep tidied up here, please? This one. Your shoes. Where's your socks? I thought you got socks too. Okay, binilan din siya ni Auntie Mel ng socks. Binilan natin siya sa kung saan binili natin yung sapatos ng Kuya. Pero ito medyo mahaba. So, sa socks din, guys, yung walang gray. So, sa school namin yung bibilhin. Ayan. And binilan din siya ng black, pero hindi to pwede sa school, yung black. So, pang araw-araw lang to ni Holly. Dito sa bahay. And, this one.
Yes, it's the navy blue scrunchie.
Scrunchy na blue. Pero,
I didn't know it can go like this.
yeah. Malulobat na rin ako. Have you seen her shoes, son? It's nice, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah.
that.
So, yun na yung vlog kasi wala kaming, hindi na kayo magdi-dinner kasi kumain na kami. Anong oras na ba? What time is it? What time is it, Zach? What time is it? 4:05 now. Is it 4:04?
What is it?
4:10. 4:10 na, guys.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
So, we'll see kung mamaya makapag-vlog pa ako. But, yeah. Ito yung ganap natin
You know
today.
everything.
Alright. Punta na siya sa shed. Ayusin ko dito.
And my pencil case, guys, if you haven't seen it.
Yeah. Ayan ang pencil case niya. And si Kuya TJ hindi siya bumili ng pencil case. Si Sak, yes. Where's Kuya Sak?
This one is Kuya Sak. I gave it to him.
Na yan. Okay, guys.
Nice.
See, Mum?
See ya.
Say, Mum.
See ya. Mwah. So, hindi ka...
big.
Wait, what? This one? The...
It's too big. You only want one to sit your computer
laptop.
on.
Oh. So, we'll see. So, yun na guys yung love you too. Yun na guys. Kung may ipa-vlog ako mamaya, i-insert ko na lang. But, mag-edit ako guys. And baka mag-live din ako mamaya saglit. So, yeah. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Pag mayroon na yung vlog tonight, balikan ko kayo. But, yeah, good night. See you. Thank you.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.